FTSE 100 opens in the green amid renewed optimism over the Ukraine conflict. There was also a palpable sense of relief that Russia avoided its first debt default since 1998 on Friday. Defying early predictions, the FTSE 100 kicked off the new trading week where it left the old one, in the green. The index of UK blue chips advanced 31 points to 7,435.78 after Russia averted its first debt default since 1998 on Friday, though for how long with new deadlines looming? Ongoing speculation that there is slow progress towards a ceasefire is capping further market losses, although in the meantime commodity prices continue to feel the pressure of an upward squeeze on supply constraints, said Richard Hunter, head of markets at Interactive Investors. The oil price remains notably volatile and is ahead by 39% in the year to date, adding inflationary fuel to a fire which is burning in most global economies. Russia-focused polymetal led the FTSE early on amid hopes, albeit tentative hopes, of a cessation of violence in Ukraine. On the FTSE 250, Petropavlovsk was up 26%. The move higher of Oilers BP and Shell mirrored the uptick in the crude price as they each advanced around 2% in early trade. 6:55 a.m. FTSE 100 called lower. The FTSE 100 looks set to dip into the red at the open after last week regaining most of the ground lost since late February when Russia invaded Ukraine. So, while the mood music has been promising for some days, the latest is that Putin and Zelensky will meet face-to-face to discuss a ceasefire. There needs to be a cessation of violence for stock prices to continue to react positively. Looking ahead, President Joe Biden is meeting NATO members on Thursday and will visit Poland, Ukraine's nearest European neighbor, and destination for hundreds of thousands of those displaced by the war, on Friday. Russia, meanwhile, has a $615 United States MLN interest payment to meet this month and $2 billion United States of debt comes due for repayment in April, so the wider world will soon see whether Moscow is able or even willing to meet these financial obligations. Overnight it was a dour session for Asia's main stock markets, with the exception of Japan, which was closed for business. Here in the UK, it is a big week for economic and business news.